insulting a president here, will not fight for the country. Captain Smart, what have you done for the country? What the honest of baby fake news on Mama Uska? That is all you are doing. What have you? What has been your contribution? Now let me tell you something. In case you don't know, one district, one factory is not just a government initiative. It was a government in conjunction with private sector. Inti sa abamba no be hu se sebe dako farms egu dako farms ane yeti omonka fritete no ene ye nti omonka bio. Inti sa abamba ba no ko raise adwuma and I mean is you. That's why I always say this. So Ghana for we are our own problem. Meboa yesi ye pay adwuma meboa aban bi so kasapreko ni na egugu aban bi so se kasapreko ye company ma yemfis kan shim na nye den empeja said the beya Ghana bebu no bi benye adwuma ye o se ade ntina aban no ekwa akoboa kasapreko, which means I won't tears ye, which means say amembo dia wo kan Captain Smart, you don't understand. Why didn't you say I'm like why didn't you say Jata Cement? Because Jata Cement also had the idea to have this cement even when his brother was the president. So stupid Captain Smart, why didn't you sit on that on your phone na ujina so sa kwasi afo radio station na ujina so no? Say Muebi radio station na ujina so no. Why didn't you stand there to also talk about anka wunya kan kasapreko no na anka waka Jata Cement? Utie, because Jata Cement, then you are a president. The environment wasn't conducive enough for him to go into that business. Ada na unka kasa di ropa. Ada na unka ekumfi fruit juice. Ada na kasapreko nkwa na woka because no na na wo ho bi ani me se kasapreko de say yensa na ye nom dada. Na wo Ghana na me bisa se kasapreko na yensa honom dada. No mo standing to say kasapreko no mo standing to say. Obi say, where is the money they borrowed? The money they borrowed has been used to take care of somebody like you and your family's kids who are going to free SHS. The money they borrowed is the reason why they are able to employ your stupid senior brother who was not able to get job after he finished university, so he became a graduate unemployed association. It is that same money that is employing him for NABCO, giving him $700 a fucking month. Sorry, I'm like 700 cedis away 1 month. Seriously, you want to know where the money or the money they have borrowed is? And no na Mahama, unkwasia president for no mubidi yaso na NSA unkwasia party a Jimmy for party NDC babidi yaso no. E ka mo man krofo wi aye. Savings and loans a mo man krofo bie ye di bia Ghana no. Enumu 21 billion a million a year, ye settle sade no. Unkwasia loans na mo jeje ne dada no. Eno na ye de service. Eno unkwasia loan na wojigu wa ukopeja wonsa se IMF we de wa mba me wu no. Eye no, eje sa unkwasia ka na obo ye no. Ene kufu ado dis eska ni tua. Utie dia wo kan me kire mo de ye diska ye because mo ye Jimmy for mo se mani afrifra ya nenne ayi ofuso ampof no man ni bin e ma mo de asrasra mani hu ntre mo ye moa mo hu bin a mo tidi Kofi Blay no mo no o mo hu bin a o mo tidi cause we are seeing nyansa no we bin ni ye mtrim. The most stupidest party to ever belong to is NDC because they call themselves social democrat, but omo ye eyi kakra wo mu no ene kosoro aboa aden na NDC ba yo social democrat when tua enkola school fees amomo NDC amo na mo se mo ye hiafo no aden na mo fan hye ye mbebe bo hiafo. No sorry, I'm be Jimmy Fubi no to say Captain Smart. And I may say, so we nyansa, brother, will be a routine. We yan this, we yan MPP. Company a go. Yan tin and crab you. What is wrong with say, a bain be a bano, this cabashim say, ah, Casapre Queen, ye discuss shame ni pija. A nipa bet me and ye juma wumwaye. You see why Ghanaians suffer when NDC come? Because start thinking we no more new. They be a make us idea we thinking I you think the ball my home, but an NDC for nibio. And yes, honey, a chiro omu yan chromo politics how. NDC for politics, and they say, Yabeko, Mamma Yan Kodia, Yabel Roy, Honayan Neha, Nea Joso, Hana, Yatan time. Sana no Bianco. Policy Bena Modeba. Oh, ye ni policy. Only policy saying government only policy. There be ye ni policy. Into Momo de Anadian, ye the NSA say ye canawa and penia near the veranda boys ne Azoka boys ni mule Jimmy Fono, near the Omaba, near Meska, Kakrama, a Yokateche free fan fix the country for no mash Jimmy Fobi to say Kofi Blade no yellow, some conquer ye away demonstration. Now what can you for the first time? Would you also we soon also with the way Jimmy for we NDC need Jimmy for now we soon for the first time in our life, in the life of Ghana. Assembly plants are the assemble cars of Ghana. We nyansenia me nyanseni ntini minim say nena ye hihye ne keke wa ha ochine bi beba afi de ye be manufacture parts and things here. Na mesre wo say Ghana for pa nti e dia kra nti mo gidi pa say de betumi asolve ane Mahama. Nti mo ye sure pa say Mahama nkwa na betumi asesa Ghana for 4 years. Mo Jimmy o. Mo bebre mo atwene nya adwuma o. Obi aye minister, why MP, why vice president, why president, once Ghana. Hey, when you serious, I can't 4 years, but so now do you see the agenda? Ye metungu mene yen diska, President Mahama the oba obechiska obi abedibi. Enti yen na yen dede on President Mahama the oba obemeska obi. Just say you guys are the most pathetic beings you can ever find on earth. NDC4. Because maintains you, you're the country amount. You lift your hands and say it's a wound to me to work on IMF. And I'm a boy. And you're no me boy. Me patcho atamils e wuno. Me patcho near IMF ana. NDC4 amoha. Kofi Blay. When Atamils died, was Ghana at IMF or was Ghana by the conditions of IMF? Not that I remember. Enti Kofi Blay. Sa wo papa wo nyansa na o ma me ni nyansa. Na ya tetew na ya nya won sa boa. How the fuck do you tell me say obi a ye the economy ama na went to me into a man nsa so de akoma IMF? Also, you know you better to be about 5 years on for uncle IMF. That say now only be Mr. Mahama be there 2013, and I'm as a substantive president, so no, I feed the president's list in so 2013. Do you know when we went to IMF? Ending of 2014, and the ending of 2014.